गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग क्लास 10th के एनसीईआरटी बुक के पूरे फॉर्मूला को देखने जा रहे हैं। हर एक चैप्टर से देखेंगे और चैप्टर वाइज करके देखेंगे। फार्मूला के साथ साथ कुछ फैक्ट्स भी उस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड देख लेंगे हम लोग। और ये उम्मीद करता हूँ कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट सेशन होने जा रहा है आज। आप लोग पेन पेपर लेके बैठें तो ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होगा और चैप्टर वाइज फार्मूला को नोट डाउन करते रहें। सबसे पहला चैप्टर है क्लास 10th का, ये है रियल नंबर। इस चैप्टर में देखते हैं क्या क्या है इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्ट्स, क्या इम्पोर्टेंट फार्मूला है इस चैप्टर में। फर्स्ट है यूक्लिड्स डिवीज़न लेमा। Euclid division lemma. Here, given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a equal bq plus r, where r greater than or equal to 0 and less than b. Now, the next fact is that every composite number can be expressed as product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in the prime factor occurs. For two positive integer a and b, HCF ab into LCM ab is equal to a into b, यानी दोनों संख्या का HCF और उन दोनों संख्या का LCM बराबर होता है उन दोनों संख्या के प्रोडक्ट का, उन दोनों संख्या के गुणनफल का। For three positive integers a, b and c, HCF ABC into LCM ABC not equal to a into b into c. ये दो ही इंटीजर के लिए एप्लीकेबल है ये चीज़। Now the next term is if p is prime number and it divides a square, then p also divide a where a is the positive integer. Now the next fact is Euclid's division algorithm is a technique to compute the highest common factor of two given positive integers to get HCF of two positive integers c and d. मेन बातें इसमें यही थी बस। अब है उसके बाद irrational number which is not rational number and which decimal expansion is not terminating, non-repeating, or which cannot be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Now the next fact is rational numbers and their decimal expansions. If denominator of the rational number is of the form 2p power n into 5p power m, where n and m are non-negative integers, then x has decimal expansion which terminates. Now the next fact is if decimal expansion of the rational number terminates, then its denominator has prime factorization of 2p power n into m 5p power m, where n and m are non-integers. Now the next, if denominator of a rational number is not the form of 2 power n or m, when n and m are non-negative integers, then the rational number has decimal expansions. Now moving forward, now the next chapter is polynomials. This is very important chapter. In this chapter, the first fact is an algebraic expression fx of the form fx equal to a naught plus a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 then a and x power n, where a0 a1 dot dot an are real numbers and all indices of the variables are non-negative integers, is called polynomial in variable x. The highest indices of x is called the degree of the polynomial. a0 a1x and are terms of the polynomial. a0 a1 dot 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 n are coefficient of the polynomial. Now the next fact is types of polynomial. On the basis of the number of terms in the polynomial, there are monomial, binomial, and trinomial. On the basis of the degree of the polynomial, the polynomial are the linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic. Now moving forward, the third fact is value of polynomial. Value of a polynomial at x equal alpha is obtained by substituting x equal alpha in the given polynomial and is denoted by fa. X equal r is the zero of a polynomial. Geometrical meaning of zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial are the x coordinate of points where graph y equal fx inserts the x-axis. Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. You can take the screenshot by pausing the videos. Now, zero of linear polynomial ax plus b is x equal minus b by a, alpha plus beta equal minus b by a, alpha into beta equal sc by a, that is coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. If alpha, beta and gamma are zeros of cubic polynomial, then alpha plus beta plus gamma equal minus b by a, that is sum of zeros equal coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube. Alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha equals c by a. Alpha into beta into gamma equal d by a. Now going forward, the next chapter is pairs of linear equations in two variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equals 0 is called a linear equation in two variables x and y, where a, b, c are the real numbers. You can take the screenshot by pausing these videos. Here some very important facts are: if a1 equal upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, system is called consistent, having one or unique solution, and pair of the straight line representing the above equations intersect at one point only. If a1 upon a2 equal b1 upon b2 equal c1 upon c2, system is called dependent and have infinitely many solutions. Pair of lines representing the equations coincides. If a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2 not equal c1 upon c2, system is called inconsistent and has no solution. Pair of lines representing the equation are parallel and don't intersect at any point. Here one important formula is the equation x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now the next chapter is quadratic equation. In quadratic equation, the main formula, the important formula here for quadratic x square plus bx plus c equal 0, value of b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the equation and denoted as d, and the d equal b square minus 4ac. Discriminant is very important in finding nature of roots. If d equals 0, then roots are real and equal. If d greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. If d less than 0, then roots are not real. Roots of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equals 0 are given by that minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, that is d, discriminant upon 2a. Now the next chapter is arithmetic progression. In this chapter, the one important thing is the definition of arithmetic progression and sequence of number. The important formulas related to this chapter is here. The an equal a plus n minus 1 upon b. An is the nth term, a is the first term, n is the nth term, and d is the difference between two terms. Sum of the first and term of the AP is the sum of first and term of the AP is given by Sn equal n by 2a plus n minus 1 upon n minus 1 up into d. If L is the last term of finite AP, say the nth term, then the sum of all the terms of the AP is given by Sn n by 2a plus L. Note sum first Sn equal n into n plus 1 upon 2. Now the next chapter is triangle. You can pause the video and take the screenshot of this pages related to the triangles, and you can write down the facts and figures of this chapter. Now moving forward, the coordinate geometry. In this chapter you should know about the quadrant, the first, second, third and fourth, and distance between 2 points PQ under x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Also the distance of the point pxy from the origin is minus under root x1 square plus y1 square. Here m segment joining the a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 internally in the ratio m1 ratio m2 r m1 x2 plus m2 x1 plus m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Here you can pause the video and take this screenshot. The coordinates of the midpoint P of the line segment joining the point A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2. And now the triangle area of the triangle 1 by 2 x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Introduction of the some trigonometric. Here value of some trigonometric formulas. The value of sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90 and this cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Here some formula related to questions. Sin 90 minus a equal cos 90 minus a equal sin a, tan 90 minus a equal cot 90 minus a equal tan a, sec 90 minus a to cosec 90 minus a into sec a. Some applications of trigonometric. Here circles, construction related to some formulas, facts and figures. Here the areas related to the circle. You can pause this video and take the screenshot and see the formula. The perimeter of a circumference of circle is given by c equal 2 pi r. Area of circular ring pi into r1 square minus r2 square, and the area of the circle is pi r square. The length of the arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r, and the area of the angle theta, area of the sector of angle theta is given that AOB equal theta upon 360 into pi r square. Area of the segment APB equal area of sector AOAP EB minus area of triangle OAB. Here these are some very important formulas of surface area and volumes. See the videos and pause the take the screenshot. Here I zoom it. First is cuboid, volume, total surface area, lateral surface area, diagonal, then cube, then cylinder and cone, right circular hollow, right circular cone. Now sphere, hemisphere, hemispherical shell, frustum of cone also. Here's some facts and figures and formulas related to the statistics, the mean, median, mode, a relation between mean, median and mode, and the formula of mean, formula of median and formula of mode. Now the last one is probability. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel if you are new in this channel, and share this video, and like, comment and hit the bell icon for the next information, for receiving the information of uploading or any update of the on this channel.